The Lake of the Ozarks, a massive reservoir in central Missouri, was born from a monumental feat of engineering. Construction of the Bagnell Dam began in 1929, and in just 2 years the Osage River was impounded, creating what was then the largest man-made lake in the United States. Its primary purpose was to generate hydroelectric power, but its vast serpentine shoreline, stretching over 1,150 miles, longer than the coast of California, quickly transformed it into a major tourist destination. The lake, 92 miles long, spurred the growth of numerous towns like Osage Beach and Camdenton, which flourished as resorts, marinas, and vacation homes sprang up along its shores. This new hub of recreation and real estate also had a wilder side, attracting mob-run clubs and even jazz legends. But beyond the documented history, the Ozarks hold deeper, more mysterious tales. Local legends speak of enigmatic figures and creatures that roam the ancient woods. One of the most famous is the Ozark Howler, a mysterious beast said to be a mix of large cats and canines, whose chilling howls echo through the forest. Another is the Blue Man of Spring Creek, a man with blue-hued skin, who reportedly protected the local community and guided lost travelers. From its ambitious creation to its vibrant and sometimes notorious history, the Lake of the Ozarks stands as a testament to both human ingenuity and the enduring, mysterious allure of the American landscape.